Yung totoo talaga niyan is, ang dami ko talagang gagawing assignment and projects. Kaso imbis na gawin namin yung assignment namin at project ngayong araw, mas pinili namin magpakain ng giraffe at makakita ng iba't ibang klaseng ahas. Oo nga pala love, baka makita mo yung ahas na hinahanap mo dito ha. And then first time ko rin kasi makakita ng elepante sa personal. Gayon din ng zebra, big turtle, koala, meron ding kangaroo, lion at marami pang iba. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kaming lakbayin ng buong Perth Zoo ngayong araw. Hi love! Ako to, si Kle. Nagmamagaling kasi ako kaya nandito ako ngayon sa Australia. Kasi sa totoo lang, okay naman na yung buhay ko sa Pinas. Kaso mas gusto kong pinapahirapan yung sarili ko. Kaya nag-aral ulit ako dito kahit wala naman talaga akong pangbayad ng tuition. Sa sobrang pagmamagaling ko, pinagsabay ko na nga yung trabaho ko at pag-aaral. Kasi if I'm not gonna work, who's gonna pay my tuition? Pero kung papautangin mo ako, o di, salamat! Oh ano love, tara, simulan na natin. Pero hindi na ako dadada dito ha. Para makita nyo talaga yung real scenario. At marinig nyo talaga yung real na nangyayari sa Perth Zoo. Ewan ko, ako kasi natutuwa ako sa mga sounds ng mga ibon, ganun. Kaya feeling ko kayo rin, kaya eto na. Enjoy love! Nakikita kaya tayo?
I am not sure. You're like a big worm, isn't he? Life-size worm.
Offshore lizards.
Ready? He's coming. He's going to jump. He's going to have a look. You're swimming, mate. He's come see you. Hello, Tilly. Hello, Tilly. Oh, hello, Tilly. Hello. Oh.
Ang cute niya! Ang cute niya! Cute ng penguin. Ay nako, itong bayawak na to kapag sa Pinas to. Nako, nasa mesa na to. Masarap pa naman to pulutan.
Kunwari lang daw po hawak niya yan. Kunwari alam niya talaga tumingin ng mapa.
Yan po ang wet. Kasi natapon niyo. So close po lahat ng nandito ngayon. Joke lang.
I'm gonna sit in the back. Lagi kang nasisirmunan eh, no? Yan ba yung gusto mo i-touch? 150 bayad dyan, yung mag-touch lang sa kanya.
Mahal no?
Oh, look at him. Look, let's see. Look at the big rhino over there. Look.
Sino?
Ako, I wanna eat the ice cream.
Ay, umano siya no?
Yeah, mine does that too. I'm surprised you didn't get a big
Hindi siya malinaw dito. Giraffe. Hindi siya gumagalaw.
Sige, popote ko sa ito.
Galapagos. Parang patay eh, no?
Ako nga.
Malayo naman, sobrang layo.
Ge.
Makita yung
0.5 na, oo. Ako nga.
kapal ng mukha. Grabe, papadulas lang siya.
Napakaarte naman nito, takot na takot mainitan. Nakagluta siguro to.
And they're really heavy. So his head was like this, Fraser. So they basically made the other one the same shape. Which makes you realise in the wild if that.
Ano ba dapat kinakain yun?
Mga ano pa rin, normal like mais.
Tsaka pinutol yung sungay niya.
Oo, mais, cucumber.
Ang dami na nga nakakamera.
Oh my God. Yellow nga lang yun.
Whoa, they are hungry. Hold it really tight, really tight. The kids, I think, will need help. They really will. You can stand forward of that line.
Wow.
They are really strong. They'll rip it out your. You can stand forward if you want to. A little bit further forward.
Yeah, I'm just going to hold it really tight.
Really tight. It's amazing. They I thought they'd nibble the leaves off, but they don't. They wrap their tongue around.
Really
And
tight.
they just tug. They're really hard.
So cute.
Yeah. You can stand in front of the yellow line if you want to. It's okay. Very much. Here, have a good door. Hold it really tight to your hands. You can stand forward. If you want to stand forward.
Lakas niya nga.
You can go forward. That's all right. Really tight.
Wow.
Ang cute!
Hold it really tight. Get a nice photo of you. Yeah. Hold it really tight. Hindi niya makakita.
Ang cute.
If anybody wants us to take a photo,
Do they usually do that here?
I've seen them run around and kick out. Maybe it's really if there's ever annoying them, it's certainly not with each other. They're all quite a close thing size.
Yeah, and the eyelashes.
And the eyelashes, we'd run out of food one day.
Nung bata ako, akala ko yung zebra. Nung bata ako. Yung zebra, yun yung mahaba yung ano. Napagbabaliktad ko silang dalawa. Diba, other people tapos yung zebra,
They sleep about 4 or 5 hours a day, but they do it in 2 or 3 minute naps.
I mean, it's a standing target, so how that's a challenge, I've no idea.
Yak, umihi. Oo.
Yak, tumatalsik dito.
The duck in there, the duck friend. See, in the pond. Underneath the branch.
Iyan siya yung lupa-lupa-tos.
Oh, landungan.
Buti hindi nalalaglag. Pag nalaglagan, patay na baby niya. No? Tara.
Oh my god, you wanna eat that?
Kahit naman, hindi siya makita pero sobrang ingay niya. Ang ingay niya lang.
Parang speaker in.
Oo.
Dito ka ba?
Wow! Ba't di na siya nag-iingay? Wow!
Siya pala yung bida eh, oh.
Oo.
Oo.
Wait lang. Ay, ang cute niya!
Oh, we like our forbidden.
Oh. Ang cute niya! Nag-climb siya.
Gusto mo buhat kayo natin ito. Wala na lang. Ito best ko, oh. Suka. No?
Ay! Ang cute neto. Ang cute. Pero price lang yung laman neto. Sticker rice. Look. Sticker rice. Baka din ang sticker rice. Is out of season na naman. Mabangsi. Ito?
Ito ng beef, pangit.
Tikman mo nga, beef. Ako lang. Tikman ka niya. Yun lang love, dito na magtatapos. Salamat sa pagsama. Bukas ulit ah.